It's Motorcycle Riding Day, the 5th year that we've held this event. It's a great opportunity for biking enthusiasts to have a lovely ride through the beautiful New Forest, parking up here at Beaulieu, right in the grounds surrounding the National Motor Museum.
There's Harley Davidsons, there's Yamahas, there's loads of Japanese Kawasaki's, there's modern stuff, there's old stuff, big and little, there's something for everyone, for all the family.
There are some fantastic bikes in the car park and a huge range as well, from the massively tuned, incredibly sporty Hayabusa bikes all the way through to the slower Harley cruisers. It's a very broad church, caters for everyone, fantastic.
There's also the whole of the Beaulieu attraction to visit, including lovely Palace House and the gardens, and especially the National Motor Museum, where we are now, and the newly opened Motorcycle Gallery. This was opened just a few months ago by Murray Walker, and it's a whole new display of our motoring collection, from some of the earliest examples to modern racers. And for the first time it sets our bikes in their historical and cultural context, and we have some great displays like the 1950s mods and rockers culture behind me, and also the spiritual home of modern bikers, the Ace Cafe.
The event's brilliant. I've been coming to every Beaulieu motorcycle event they had so far, so I've been caught here in the rain, and then there's brilliant sunshine and nice weather like we've got today.